I was not going to record today because I'm back in the same spot where I have been digging a lot lately, and I don't want to bore everyone, but I got a good signal here. Problem is, it's not deep, so it could just be a can or something like that, but you don't know what's in the hole until you go. So let's see if it still has the same sound. Oh, there it is. It's a washer. Man, had a good sound. You can see I'm back by the big oaks. Now it's getting scratchy. It wasn't scratchy a second ago. It's a 70s signal, so I'm going to dig it and see what it is. 70s and the 80s. Okay, I went around it. Now let me see. Doesn't sound like it did a minute ago. Oh, I don't know what the... Let me bust it up and find it. 2 more washers. It's 3 washers. It's like a washer spill. I don't know what this is. I flipped the plug out and thought I was going to have to look for it. That's it. Oh, it's a pocket knife. Nice. I did not bend it. See, no marks, no shovel marks. Nice, it is a pocket knife. Hey, I'm happy with that. That is cool, isn't it? I wonder if there's anything else in there. That brings up 98 on the AT Gold. That is nice. I love pocket knives. I've got probably a couple hundred, I may have told y'all this, that I inherited, and that's all fine and dandy, but they ain't nothing like finding your own. This is pretty shallow, so I didn't see it. I need to dig a crater. Something off a tractor. Or a horse. Could be a... I don't know what that is. But I'm going to take it. This was a 50s tone. It never got high, so it could be something like a nickel. Or it could be just a pull tab. I have errored a little bit. I did not bring my gloves, and all this stuff is stickers. So and it could be top of an aluminum can. I think that is what it is. Still no. This is a 60s signal, low tone 60s. It's underneath that root. Let me show you something first though. Check this tree out. Look at the branches knocked off. And it's all skin up. It's a buck deer right there. He lives over there somewhere. Probably under my big oak. Let me see what's in this hole, and we'll talk about deer later. Alright, I got under it, got under the root. What's that? Looks like it might be a piece of a wedge, piece of a hatchet, piece of an axe. But who knows? Something like that, huh? Another 60s tone. It's not the 60s anymore. It was. It's in the side. I missed it. What is that? I see it. Piece of glass. Let me dig a little more. You've got to really want a piece of metal to dig a hole like that. That is a belt buckle. That's pretty cool. I've got a bunch of these, but you know, it never gets old. I just don't understand how so many people lost so many belt buckles. I don't think I've ever lost a belt buckle in my life. But for some reason, everywhere I go, almost everywhere, somebody else lost their belt buckle. Pretty neat. Now I got to redo the landscaping. I got a nice 45 to 50 something. Every now and then it hits the 60s, but how will I know? Okay, there's a rock in the way. Let me dig a little bit. It was not a rock. It is that. That's pretty neat, isn't it? Hand hammered antique toothpick. That could be an ear cleaner. Of course, it was cleaner back in the day, but gotta get all the dirt out. That's neat, huh? I think so. Back scratcher. I don't know. I'm going with toothpick. I went ahead and dug that next hole. Turns out it is a 40s and 50s also. There it is. Remnants of days gone by. The muffler. That's my guess. I'm gonna go in there in a minute and do the bank. I have found a couple old bottles over there. It's mostly aluminum cans and just trash, but in the meantime, I did dig this hole. And I think this is gonna be something like a nut. I was gonna say nail, but it kind of fell out in my fingertips. So I will keep it. I was done with this hole, but I put my pin pointer back in there. Poured a few nails out and that bracket. So like the incredible treasures that I have located today, I will put them in my man purse. Now I'll move on. There's still signals in there, but I'm done with nails. I found this hole, and the weird thing about it, it's almost like it was one that I dug and stopped. But look, it's another knife. And there is another piece of it. Because I started to dig around the edge, and the whole thing came out. That's got to be turned on to get any service out of it. Maybe that's the other piece to it. 2 pocket knives in one day. Or one hunt. That is a record for me. Maybe it wasn't a spot I'd been to. I don't know. Okay, forget that. That blade looks awfully shiny in one spot. And the edge is metal, so that piece goes right there. Man, that's pretty neat, isn't it? Oh man, I can't believe that. I'm gonna dig around here and see if I can find out what the other signal is. That's what it was. Last remaining pieces of a square now. It's pretty neat out here. I know I got you on narrow view because I know the next step up on the GoPro was linear. And the linear view kind of is slight bubble, but it just doesn't do justice to how nice it is out here. And there's so many birds. I'm done talking about that. Let's dig a hole. I didn't know if you'd want to, but I decided to let you watch my process of the delicate fine art of digging a hole. Piece of iron. A big nut. And glass, that's why you need gloves. So that's what I look like doing this. Oh, it's so goofy. I could say GoPro off, but I don't know if I got it set. So I have to walk over here to it. There they are. There's the incredible finds on that hole. I got a good strong signal right here. It's a low tone. See that broken limb on there? And this, I didn't do that. I didn't break all these off, so it must be that deer. It's kind of in a main trail down through here. I got a feeling. Oh, it was in there. Stop. There it is. So what is that? That is a piece of a cast iron something. A little hook. There's something large and in charge right here. And there's pieces of it in different places amongst all these little stickers on the ground. So we'll start right here. A little poison ivy root. Oh, look at that. You know, that's awesome. Got a little shine to it. This has something in it. I don't know what this is. So I'm gonna attach my Crazy Pro to my little Chevelle and see what's in there. Zigzag wraps. What is that? I don't know. Now I got about 6 pieces of trash to put in my bag instead of the one. Learned my lesson on that. $59 to $70s. But here's the interesting thing about this spot. Look. Kind of stopped right there, but so it's kind of long, whatever it is, why it's in this pile. I don't know. So it's either a bunch of nails scattered, or it is not. Where is it? Man. Let me dig a little bit. Dig a little bit of this pod for you. Ah, there it is. It's everywhere. It's everywhere. That is stickers. Let me find it. Hang on. Found it. 2 little nails. But the thing is, there's not just 2. There's a kabillion of them. And they're all down in here and all right here and all right there. I'm not going to get them all, but I'll take these 2. Alright, 60s and 70s. Ha! How about that? It came out with it. Oh, sweet! That is a blade off of something. Oh my gosh, just wanted to tear that thing up. Look at that. Look at that thing. I did crunch it. Right there. Look at that. Hamashite. Hajimamoto. Hajimamashite. Haki yakisoba. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Man, that's awesome, isn't it? Golly, you want to look at that for a minute? That is a good ending note right there. I wonder what that is. That's a little ring. Oh my goodness. I'm happy with that. That and 2 pocket knives. And Uno Day. I know you're kind of done looking at it. I know you're wondering why I just dropped it. That's okay. Man, that's awesome. I look forward to kind of cleaning that up and seeing if it might have some retain on it. God, that's cool. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. Thanks for watching my goofy videos all the time. I know I act like an imbecile sometimes, but I have fun. And I know my videos get a little, is that like right up my face? I know my videos get a little repetitious every now and then, but if you get bored, just go watch somebody else a little while. Just come back, because every now and, well, okay, I don't find stuff like that usually, but anyway, I appreciate everybody watching me and my shadow. Have a nice day. I want to show you what I found. There's that thing, that thing, that thing. There's that thing. There's that ear cleaner. That's pretty awesome. It's with a straw and a fancy wrapper. Oh, there's one of those pocket knives. That's pretty neat. I found the other side to it too. Let me look through my... Oh, there it is. Right there in my hand. You know, that might have been on that side since that's so clean. So it went like that. What do you think? Yeah, I think so. A couple of nuts. Then I hit the mother lode, the washer spill. Found a buckle. Another pocket knife. What's left of a square now. Some aluminum. And that. Look at that. Now I gotta figure out what that came off of. I have found World War I and II bayonet pieces from here down, but I don't know about that. If you have any ideas, you know how to find me. Thanks for watching.